91.8. Nice one. Third and last shot. Watch the light. Let's see if you improve on that score. Get more speed there. Catchy there, but it puts it right off the wall. Trying to salvage it in clipping zone number 2. Clean run once again into number 3. Fills it all the way. Wide line of number 4. Just about fills it 100%. Transition number 5. Big angle this time. It goes across the finish line. Team PRCD and also from Team Mama Mo. So he's on the stage ready for his first qualifying lap. So here we go. Watch the light. Here we go. Sliding and backing it up into the first clipping zone. Gets in there, but sacrifices the transition to clipping zone number 2. Trying to salvage that clipping zone into number 3. Does a really good job there. Wide line taps the wall into number 4. 3 wheels inside. Oh, but goes wide on that transition into number 5. Doesn't fill up the whole zone completely when he crosses the line. JU from Team Rev D and Team RDA. So JU is a Rev D driver and 2023 WTDC Trial first placer. So lots to expect from this guy too. Team Randy over here. So here we go, his first run. Watch the light. Getting a lot of speed here. Big angle. Let's go. Belts up the whole zone. Snappy transition number 2, but gets a bobble there entering that zone. Let's see if he finishes strong. Big angle coming out from it. Nice snappy transition number 3. Connects it into number 4. Nice job there, transition. And then nice transition into number 5 across the line. There goes Jaden from
first round. Done 89.95.
So close to the 90 club. So here we go on our second run. Let's go, sir. Watch the light. Aggressive entry up in the straight, smooth so far. Big angle, backs it up once again. Doesn't get as close to the wall as before. But here we go, dragging the rear bumper on the rear clipping zone number 2 and then into number 3. Fills it up completely. Number 4, 3 tires inside. Transition into number 5. Big angle, stays steady across the line.
Second round, we got 90.8.
Lux from Team RCO, Raijin Drip Team, and the TDC 2022 D1GP Qualifier. And we can't forget that he's a tied RCDC expert, first place. And RCO camp, first place over there also, so lots to expect from this guy. Let's see his first run. Watch the light. There we go, smooth, big angle, slides it in there so perfectly. Snappy transition into number 2, riding the wall. Big angle into number 3, riding the wall again, perfectly executed. Into number 4, fills up the whole zone, transition, big angle over there. Big angle into He doesn't even need to do that, but he's just showing us what he can do.
Lux got 90.95.
Oh my goodness. I don't know if we can get any higher than there, but here we go, second run. Watch the light. Go up the main straight for the second time. Let's see his entry here. Reverse again, still in the box, doesn't lose momentum. Smooth into number 2, riding the wall, big angle. Let's see his transition in number 3. Nice and snappy, riding the wall, fills it up the whole way. Wide line into number 4, fills it up. Big snappy transition once again into number 5. Big angle, What is going on? So that's Lux from Thailand.
Second run, got 94.3.
Here we go, the last driver for our qualifying session. Champi from Team Red T Arena. Coming all the way from Brunei. Here we go. Getting ready for his first run. Let's see what he can show us today. There he goes, lining up. And ready for his first run. Yes, sir. Watch the light. There he goes, loving. That GR86, getting that speed, big flick, but he just takes him outside of that wall area. Nice flick in the number 2, but a bobble entering that. Gets outside, really good, into number 3, fills up that zone, takes the wide line to number 4, just about fills up wall at number 4. Oh, but bobbles on that transition into number 5 and across the line. 90 club. Here goes his second run. Watch the light. Here goes, second run, onto the main straight. Flicks it in. Oh, just about fills up the zone, but hits the wall, there's a bobble. But here he is on clipping zone number 2, getting that done perfectly into number 3. Fills up the zone, just about into number 4. Just about fills up the whole zone. Here we go, we got trouble there last time, but makes it work into the 5th and final clipping zone across the line.
Second run, got 88.6.